Thank you for watching this video. Today, we will introduce the dial type VA wire stripper. This stripper can strip the outer and inner sheaths of VA wires and equal electric wires, compatible with 1.6mm, 2.0mm, 2-core and 3-core. Here are the 5 main features. Equipped with a dial that allows for cutting depth adjustment, it can finely accommodate variations in thickness and hardness depending on the wire manufacturer. Adjusting the dial prevents the wire from slipping and the core wire from being damaged, ensuring stable stripping work. The blade grooves slide along the guide, preventing sideways deviation and achieving a clean cut. The blade can be replaced without any complicated adjustments. Compared to conventional products, the stripping load is reduced by 30%. This helps reduce fatigue during long hours of work and provides a more comfortable experience. 2 gauges ensure easy length measurement. You can quickly set the accurate stripping length. The compact design with a sledge hook makes it easy to carry. Next, we will explain how to use it. First, adjust the dial to match the wire. If the blade slips and does not strip, increase the scale. If the core wire is damaged by biting, decrease the scale. The standard is scale 3 for 1.6mm and scale 2 for 2.0mm, but please adjust as needed according to the wire. Use the gauge to measure the required length, then insert the cable horizontally from the front of the main body, and squeeze the handle to strip the sheath. The dial type VA wire stripper makes your stripping work more accurate, comfortable, and efficient. Please give it a try.